clothes that are gone now, it's gonna be a fall. Ducks. Bros, don't go near. Ducks don't fly. Oh, the chicks are there. Oh, chickens.
May nakatalo na manok, Day. May tumalo na manok dyan. Babalik lang yan? Don't go near.
There's a black chick and it's so small. Hey, chickens, I want pigeons.
Don't go, Mariam. Don't go near there, Mariam, Rania, because that's why they're trying to run away. Just take that, oh. There, you give it from there. It's gonna escape. Then it's not gonna go back.
Why did they have other ones there?
That's why don't go near them.
Daddy always clean.
Oh, there's the egg, oh. Look at that, oh. Yes, eggs.
Is there anybody there? Oh, look at those two chicks. We're gonna steal them.
You see, look at this. If you cannot see. Ah, you can see naman, ano?
I can see those eggs. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. This like and all of the chicks. Look at that one. Chicks are chickens. All the chicks are chickens.
Don't go near that. That's gonna be, you know.
Look at this.
That's an angry chicken.
Oh, look, I saw there. All chickens are angry. Look, one's speaking.
It's a hen.
Look at that one, Bubu. I see there. Look, it's like that's obviously a duck because it has because remember it's different. Like how they walk.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I go send YouTube, right? Can you catch one like a dog?
No. Because they're not.
They're not moving.
They're not gonna go. They're gonna be angry. Don't know. They're gonna bite you.
Like you.
Honey.
Now your chicken's gone.
Okay, put her. Give some for. Let her give the chicken. What's that? Not too near.
Well, this one is like a penguin. Come. Look at that one. It was just staying there when you even saw. It's so gigantic. Looks like a penguin. You didn't expect it for them to